In the previous video, we implemented a CRUD operation project in FastAPI. We learned what is FastAPI, how FastAPI framework is working. So we implemented CRUD operation project in FastAPI. In this video, what we can do, we can implement Todo App project in FastAPI. Let's get started. This is my Visual Studio Code editor. Here we are going to create a Todo App project in FastAPI. And another tab like Windows, Chrome browser, I have opened it here, ChatGPT. And from ChatGPT we are going to implement a Todo App project. So I'm going to generate a project content like how to create a project in FastAPI. That content I'm generating and just copy pasting into my project folder, and we are going to implement this project. I'm giving this prompt to ChatGPT, and here we got the response how we can able to implement that project. So this is the structure we need to follow. This is the directory app I'm going to create here inside my project. After that, remaining all files I'm going to copy and pasting there, like creating these all files inside app directory. First we need to install these dependencies. If you not already installed dependency, what you can do, you just copy this command and run in your terminal here. So right now what happened is I already installed these packages, so I don't need to install again. For that it is queuing the message like requirement already satisfied. If you not installed, it will going to start installing. So you need to connect your internet connection like Wi-Fi or anything, then only you can able to install those libraries or packages. And this is the code for database.py. I'm going to copy this code. Inside database.py, I am entering this code. Here we are using SQLite database. Models.py. When you pasting this code, also save the file, then only you can able to run this project. Otherwise it will not running, like server will not run, it will give the error or something. This is the command to run FastAPI server. Right now this is the API code where we created the APIs. Like here you can see this is the get API home page. Todo API is running. This is the message will showing when we call this API. And this is the post API to create a Todo. This is get API, put API and delete API. Put API use it to update the data, and delete API use it to delete the data. So right now our project is completed. Here I am going to write python 3 -m, and this is the command to run FastAPI project. So So right now I'm going to enter this. Here you can see my server is started, and I'm going to click this link /docs. Here you can see the APIs. In the new tab I'm going to paste this link, and here you can see the API list: get API, post API, put API, delete API. Here first I'm running this API, first one executing. Here you can see this is the response: to do API is running. And second, get to do's. What it will do, it will retrieve data whatever present in our database. Right now there is no data present, so it giving empty list. There is no data present. Next I'm going to create one to do. Title test, description testing, and I'm going to execute. So here you can see this is the response. Our to do first data is created, and when I run this API like previous API get to do's, when I execute this, here you can see the response. Before it was empty list. Right now here you can see the data, and this API what we will do, when we give the ID, particular ID, we can retrieve the data particular ID. And there is a put API, what we will do, it will going to update the data. We need to update something, then we can use this API. Right now I'm giving here ID 1, and here what we can do, test or task 2, description task. When I'm going to execute, here you can see the response. ID1 response got changed, and when I enter get API, when I call this get API, we'll see the response. It is also got changed. And there is another API is delete API. When you give particular ID to delete, you can give here ID and you can delete the data. This is the FastAPI docs, which is inbuilt. Like when we creating API, it will automatic. We are getting this Swagger docs. We can test the API easily. This is the best feature of FastAPI. Next, what we can do, we can implement simple front-end page and perform this API, like integrate this API and test the code. Create these APIs. So this is the prompt I am giving, and it will give the HTML code, like front-end code. It will generate, so we can try that code. Here first what I am going to do, here I am going to create a new file, index.html. This is the front-end file. So next I'm going to copy this code, index.html, and here I'm going to paste and saving this file. After this I'm going to run this. Here you can see our Todo app is look like this. And this is the middleware configuration code. So we need to add this into our main.py file, then only we can call these all APIs. Here you can see one task is already there, which we created from the Swagger doc. From this document we created that task. Instead of that, right now I am going to create a new task. Name is testing 2 and saving this task. Here you can see the task. When I click this button, it is going to like completing this task. If I going to click this, it will going to delete this task right now, and this is the button to edit the task. This is how we can easily implement Todo app project in FastAPI. Also here you can see this is also a little bit responsive. In mobile view it will be look like this, but not flexible in mobile right now. We need to improve our front-end code, then it will be the flexible. And here there is a network tab. When I refresh this page, here you can see the APIs. This is the API what called, and here you can see the response of the API. There is a 2 tasks present in our response, task and test. These are the title.